Hello and welcome back to a brand new video on the channel. In today's video, we're going to be starting off a new series on the channel. It's going to be known as Market Maker Mondays. So within this series, we're going to do a weekly outlook on Monday evening every single night. The first thing we need to look at when we're starting out on the Monday night is what are our trade hours for the week ahead. So how do we utilize the Forex calendar? So you can have a look at this on the Forex Factory news calendar. What events are going to either affect price delivery or just cause poorer probabilities within the market? So I've wrote down my trade hours for this week in our paid Discord group to all our members so they can see this. They can see what I'm thinking about the week ahead live from me. They can then decide whether or not they want to follow the same routine or trade whenever they want themselves. I recommend following what I'd put in here just simply because this is when delivery will be at its best. So starting off, we have a lot of red folder news. So Monday and Tuesday pretty much will be out of the market as well as Wednesday, just simply because we have CPI and FOMC. What does that mean? So CPI and FOMC will usually be the move of the week, the overall expansion of the week. Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday, we have to treat this as our accumulation phase. Right, we then have Wednesday, which will be our manipulation phase / expansion. And then finally, Thursday and Friday will be our distribution phase within the market, hopefully. So that is my view on the week ahead. We have Thursday, I'll be trading London and New York session. And Friday, I'll just be trading London session. So only trading 2 days out of the week. That means I'm going to be sat on my hands a lot of the time. I probably won't even look at the charts until after Wednesday. But I'm going to do a quick breakdown on what I do see ahead of the week and some draw on liquidities for you guys at home. So starting off, we're going to go to dollar index and we are going to remove everything, go up to our daily time frame and move this across. So right now on the daily, we are obviously bearish. So we took this high up here into this volume imbalance. We then reacted and we started to get institutional sponsorship to the downside when we had this order block form. Price came in, rejected. This is showing bearishness. So my overall draw on liquidity for dollar is this low down here. So this may take a week or so or a couple of weeks to get taken, but that's my overall sell side targets. Right now, after today's price action, what do we see price doing? So we have this order block here, this bearish order block, alongside our volume imbalance. Price wicked through once, and then price is now reacting from it again. This is fine. So this is just a zone where the institutions are placing orders. We can retrace into it and tag into it many times before we see the full move. So right now, I'm interested in how this daily is going to close. What I'd like to see here on the daily on dollar index is a close below our mean threshold of this order block, which would mean that we've taken prior day highs on dollar index and then closed back bearish below our mean threshold, meaning that sell side could be inevitable for this week of price action. So we'll be watching this dollar close. And if we do close through, then we can start to look for a retracement back into this fair value gap within here and this order block within this open order block here. That's what we can expect price to do on dollar. So if we close above this 50% here, we could perhaps look for a long on dollar index. So that means we'll be shorting foreign pairs into the 103,600. If we do close back below the 50% of this order block, I will be targeting sell side liquidity. And that is my preferred option. If we do push up here, that doesn't worry me because we can catch the buys on the way up and the sells on foreign pairs, which I'll run through now. So Euro USD. where are we and what are we doing? Right now, we're trading within this bearish order block across from here. So what I'm looking at within here is our mean threshold. So our mean threshold is simply just 50% of our order block. And if we drag that across, we can see that we did actually have a daily closure through that. So that would convince me that we are still bullish on Euro US dollar. We've had institutional sponsorship. We've came into this bullish order block. We then came into this bullish order block and reacted nicely. So now what I'm expecting for Euro USD is to get a daily close above this level here. If we can close below above this 0.5 back into a balanced price range, then we can expect further buy side into our handle up here at 110,400 as our buy side liquidity for this pair. But that is simply down to the closure of today. If we do close through, what do I expect on this? I would expect something like so. I'd expect a close, a push back up, and come back down in to this fair value gap back down here. So that is what I'd be looking for on Euro if we do close like this. GBP USD, a similar scenario. But the difference is with GBP USD is that we've taken our daily buy side objectives. So right now we're reacting from the mean threshold. It does look like we are going to close above this. So this could potentially continue higher. And if this continues higher, likelihood is Euro USD will continue higher and all the other foreign pairs. Our final pair we'll be looking at is gold. So gold is currently trading on a weekly time basis at around 1990. So overall weekly targets for gold, as we know, this is a safe haven. So this is where investment bankers will keep their money. And it's also just a place where you can store money and it will keep its value. So overall targets on this are this high to the left. As you can see what we've had a big accumulation phase on gold. We then saw manipulation when we took this low down here. So this was our manipulation. Price creates these equal lows, takes it out, starts institutional sponsorship back to the upside. So now our next targets on gold are 2075 over the next couple weeks to a month time period. So that's what I'm looking for gold. I would not be short in this circumstance. I'll be looking for continuation to the upside. And that's why I'm so heavily bullish on our foreign pairs at the minute. Other than that, that is a quick breakdown of the pairs that I've chose for this week of trading. If you do want to see some other pairs, just drop a comment in the comment section. And if you are looking to join our Discord, so in the Discord, you will get current live trading news and updates, what I'm looking for within the market, expecting further continuations on GBP USD, a trade ideas kind of stuff for you. And that's about it. Other than that, I'll catch you all in the next video. Please like and subscribe, and I'll catch you all next time.